Hey all, this is Rahul from Lwplabs. I have been asked by a lot of people who are my students that what is Terraform module? So let me answer it very quickly. It's kind of a function, okay? Like if you have worked on programming uh, on like Java, C, okay, or maybe just a shell script. So you know, like there will be something called function, right? Why we create function? Because we don't want to rewrite the code, same code again and again, again and again. What we will do, we'll try to write a function and we'll try to call it, okay, and we'll try to pass a variable or argument to it, and then that function will do the task, and it will achieve that task, or it will complete that task. Similarly, in Terraform, we do have a module, right? So what this module will do, so see here, this is a Terraform documentation for VPC where we are using a module called a Terraform AWS module. Okay, this is for VPC. So what it is currently doing, it is we will be calling this module, okay, and this will we need to pass, while we are calling this module, we will pass some variables, okay, and that these variables will go as an argument when you call this module, and it will perform the task of creating a VPC with the name my VPC, with the CIDR, which is this, with availability zones, which is here, okay, like it will be distributing its subnets in three different availability zone: EU West 1A, 1B, 1C, where the private subnet will be one having CIDR range this, another is will be this, and the third will be this. There will be three subnets created. Similarly, there will be three public subnets will be created, right? Here you see there will be an ad gateway, which is true, means an ad gateway will be created, okay. VPN gateway true means a VPN gateway will be created, okay, enable VPN gateway. And then there will be a tag, right? This tag is saying that Terraform true environment dev, means it will give an like when the VPC will be created, and suppose tomorrow after 1 year you are trying to see, okay, who created this VPC. With this tag you will know that, okay, fine, this my VPC which is being created in the AWS is being created with the help of Terraform. And it is what kind of VPC? It is meant for running development workload, means development web applications, right? So this is one of the example, a quick example of what is Terraform module. So in our course, we generally go in depth one by one, and we'll explain you like how to use Terraform module, how to there are how many type of different modules are there, okay, and in which scenario you will call modules, and then what are the exceptional cases, like if you want to create um elastic IP, or you need to attach an elastic IP, then how will you do that? Okay, so these are like some exceptional cases which we'll be seeing out of park issues in our courses. But then, yeah, as a whole, what is Terraform module? This is Terraform module. Thank you. Let's meet in the let's subscribe for our channel, and don't forget to press a like button so that we can actually be motivated and keep doing all these sessions. And if you still want to have one-to-one session, something like that, please get in touch with our administration, where he will be able to explain you like when is our next course starting up. Okay, all of our courses are project oriented courses. Like there you see there are 43 hours, and there are how many projects? 34 minor and 5 major projects, along with one capstone project. Like there are multiple projects which will be there, so which we'll be covering here. And generally this is one of the course where we cover projects mainly. So we will help you to create your CV and then implement the same CV, and then you will start applying your job, so that you will not be newbie for your CV. You will know what exactly you are doing by implementing your own CV, right? That CV will be also provided by us. Okay, so anybody can do this course, like zero to hero. Okay, anybody can do. It's 43 hours of course, where in around we cover 40 projects, starting from very small project, okay, to very complex projects. Okay, so these all things we will be doing in our course. So one of our one of our architecture diagram is like this. Okay, we will be explaining you how to do this particular project, where we will be creating our Kubernetes cluster. It will be a cross availability zone. It will be in the private subnet, and then we'll no worries, we'll explain you like what is private subnet, what is public subnet, okay, what is actually the whole VPC, what is CIDR, and all those things we will be anyway discussing. Okay, but then as a whole, you will be running your application over the EKS cluster, which will be where your application will be running over pods, and then you will be accessing those applications through Cloudflare and then Internet Gateway, and then the whole path you will be doing. So this particular project diagram we'll be explaining in our course curriculum. Thank you.